Hi, welcome to the My Big Campus Mastery Series. I'm Nathan Davidson. This segment of the Mastery Series is devoted to your stuff, specifically adding individual websites which go into the big, massive My Big Campus library. To start, we're going to go ahead and log in. I always like to start here just as a starting point. And remember, if the school that shows up here for you is different, you can click select a different school and type in your 3-letter building initials, or if you're from another district, you can type in the name of your school. Now, once you've logged into My Big Campus, of course, your activity feed displays, which is fantastic. On the left-hand side, you'll find your stuff, and that's where we'll go. In my list here, I have a number of items I've already added, some of which are public, which I know by the globe. Some of which I have control over, which is by the little gear or widget icon here, so I can add them to the My Big Campus library or take them out of the library. But up at the top, I'll click Add. Now, I encourage you to watch the other segments that we've produced that talk about adding files and YouTube videos. And again, this segment will focus on websites. So I'm going to choose Add Website. And I'm presented with this slate of options, this form to enter in information. So I have 2 websites at the top, and the reason I have 2 is because I want to illustrate what happens when you add a website that someone else has already added, including yourself, and what happens when you add a website that no one has added. Because there's 2 different things. So let's start with BrainPop, because that's a very popular site. So I'm going to copy the URL for BrainPop and go back to the tab where I add the web address, paste it in here, and I'm going to choose Get Info. So My Big Campus will look and see if someone's already added that. If not, it will return some information. And it says, I've already added this item, but maybe not me. It may be somebody else that's added that. Nonetheless, I know that it's already been added to the My Big Campus library. So let's go up here and choose a different URL. I'll go ahead and copy this URL, which is a great article about using QR codes in the classroom. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight this web address, paste it here, and I'm going to choose Get Info, and I'll wait here a second. So it returns the title. I didn't have to type it in. And I'll type in THE Journal article about QR codes in the classroom. I'll just keep it brief. And notice I am limited to 255 characters. And I'll put some tags, which are keywords. I definitely want to put that in. And I'll type in QR code. Mobile, because mobile devices this will be popular with. Engagement. Classroom. And I'll choose category. This is very similar when you see how to use YouTube videos as well. Same thing applies, and then I'll click Add. And there we go. My Big Campus confirms that here it is. This is a thumbnail just of the website itself, not the particular link, but the THE Journal site itself. The description is there, added by me. The tags are all here, and those are searchable as well with a click. Grade levels, how many times it's been viewed, which right now is 1. And of course, I've got the options here to visit the website, add it to a collection that I have, which we'll have a separate video on. Report abuse if someone's added this video and it's got inappropriate content and it hasn't been detected yet by any of the My Big Campus administrators. Any user can flag abuse that way. I can edit what I've added, and I can also delete it. So thanks for tuning into this segment of My Big Campus, the Mastery Series, and this segment on your stuff, adding websites.